Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass.
Today's video, alphabet, letter M. Hi friends, welcome to another fun letter adventure. Today we're learning about the marvelous letter M. M makes the sound like when we eat something yummy. Let's explore words that start with M. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to climb trees and eat bananas. They are very smart. M is for moose. Moose are big animals that live in cold places. Their huge antlers help them show how strong they are. M is for meerkat. Meerkats stand up on two legs to watch for danger. They are great at teamwork. M is for mirror. A mirror helps us see our reflection. Can you make a funny face in the mirror? M is for microscope. Scientists use microscopes to see tiny things up close. Imagine seeing an ant's legs super big. We had so much fun learning about the letter M. Remember, M says, See you next time for more alphabet adventures. Bye for now.